And she doesn't know it because a bus like everybody stays home today because of the snow. The aftermath of this blizzard of 2026. Okay, I see. So you keep going, man. Keep running. A view of what it looked like after the aftermath of the bridge here. Blizzard of 2026. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Good morning everyone. I'm in the bus. I'm going to work on a snowy day here in New York. Winter storm. Hope everybody is doing well, guys. I'm headed to work. Look at what I have to go through. I can't even drive my car today. I'll be taking off. So stop by, guys. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to our video.
Exit to the rear door.
You getting off?
No, 42nd, 3 more.
42nd Street is in Manhattan.
No. She doesn't want to walk.
She doesn't want to walk. So this is Northern Boulevard. Don't come off here now. Yeah.
Now you, they want to.
Yeah. Parson is better. It's closer to me.
Yeah, because 44 is there. It's going to take you straight to where you're going.
Yeah, yeah. You leaving?
Yep.
All right. Oh man.
Yes. Exactly.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. All right.
Take care.
Wide out, wide out.
You can't even see the streets from afar.
That's why you gotta go 50 miles.
Yeah?
Yeah. You go faster, you can lose control.
Yeah. I think this is worse than the first storm.
It is.
This is much worse.
It is.
They prepared for that one, but they didn't prepare for this one. See how funny it is?
They exhaust the budget of the last one.
Yeah.
Earlier, when I 6 in the morning when I come out,
Yeah.
it was worse. You can even see.
You can't see nobody, right?
Yeah. So you can go. The people crossing the street without watching.
Yeah. Yeah, you can't even see the sidewalks. Man, I'm telling you, this is really, look at those side streets. You can't even drive up there. Wow. And it's still coming down. It's not, it's still falling. So you can't imagine when it done fall. Later on in the evening it'll be worse. Oh yeah? What time are you gonna get off?
Today?
Yeah.
7:30.
7:30? Wow.
Not at 6.
Yeah. And this is your normal route, right?
Nah, that'll do us everything.
Oh.
But
Today you're gonna do it.
schedule change, yeah, so it makes up work more hours.
Oh.
Standard schedule.
I'm telling you.
What's this?
Telling you, this is one of the worst storms so far, and they were unprepared for this one. Nothing. Even where I live also, the management, they came out late. You can't even move your car.
Yeah, my business this morning, I couldn't even get out.
Yeah, you couldn't get, no.
Yeah, you said they couldn't get the
Yeah, they're cleaning over there, right over there, yeah.
bus stops.
Yeah.
Doing all the bus stops in this area.
Yeah.
Just taking the snow to
Yeah.
the little bit, that's it.
I'm telling you.
So tomorrow when, it's hard, it's gonna be...
Yeah, it's worse tomorrow when it gets hard.
Yeah, you gotta
So
put it
you,
on the street.
yeah,
Just put it, look, that's good, right there.
yeah. And she's doing her best over there, guys. Look at that. To clean her sidewalks.
Yeah.
Well, this is New York City. This is what it is. And not only New York, can you imagine upstate New York?
They cancel everything that happens.
I'm telling you. Oh boy. It's really, really bad out here, guys. It's really, really
Somebody's
bad.
gonna see.
Yeah. Somebody's walking in the middle of the street with an umbrella.
Yeah.
That's not gonna work. Look at that person with an umbrella, and she doesn't know there's a bus behind her. That's the problem. Look at her, guys. My God, the wind is so rough. Look. Yeah. See a guy out there putting salt on his driveway.
Yeah.
Oh, she's coming?
I don't know, that's what I'm looking at. Yeah,
I guess she's walking, but she's not coming. No, she's not coming. She's taking a walk.
I went for Wednesday to take a walk.
Why would you want to take a walk now? Yeah. I'm here with the bus drivers, guys, on route and bus 76. This is 76, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is 76. Can't drive to work today, guys. The roads are impossible. I'm just taking the bus. What a loyal worker I am. Some people call out sick, but I say, you know what? Let me just come. Everybody's trying to clean their driveways and driveways before it get hard. Yeah,
It's rough.
best you do that.
Once you get hard, that's it.
Yeah, once it get hard, you're in trouble. And see this part you haven't even cleaned yet.
So one guy, it was hard, but a plastic shop, plastic one.
Plastic, wow.
So like,
Everybody moving across the snow, trying to get some money. I think these young guys are trying to get some money also
right,
to clean the side,
Yeah, they just walking to see if somebody wants them.
He's somebody drive away or, you know. I'm telling you. No, I don't think she's coming.
You don't
Yeah, I think so.
even notice.
Come on in, come on in. Cold out there. Yeah. Yeah. Some people have to work, you know? Stay home, you don't get no money. Unless you have a sick days like some of us.
Yeah. Yeah, but you need a big excuse to not go to work.
Yeah, yeah, of
Because
course.
transportation is working.
Especially if you drive a car and you can't, you know, drive in this kind of a condition, you're not gonna go to work.
The man is working.
Yeah.
Buses are working. So.
Yeah. The Uber drivers not coming out, the taxi drivers are scared to get stuck. This is a really, really, you know, a bad winter storm.
Sanitation right there.
Huh?
Sanitation.
Oh, it's over there, yeah. I've seen it in the
That's because the yellow lights.
way ahead, right? Everybody's staying home. Majority of the people are staying home. Because a bus like this normally have more crowd. Yeah. You can hardly see straight ahead of you. Look at the place. The place is so white. Visibility is very poor. Which street is this one? I'm not near Parsons yet, right?
Like, 4 more stops.
4 more stops. Take care. Watch your step getting off, guys. Watch your step getting off.
Thank you.
Watch your steps getting off the bus.
Over there,
Yeah.
they can take the 61. 61 take you express, the mainstream version. I mean mainstream where you can take the 7-train.
Yeah, but I think the other stop is better for me.
Now the thing is, you can get the 61, but you still gotta wait for the 44.
And yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You better go get it once.
One, yeah.
So they go to mainstream.
Yeah. One bus is good for me.
You pay that one, and you still gotta get the 44.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, the bus is completely empty. Everybody stays home today because of the snow. And it's really rough out there, guys. Rough out there. And I'm in the bus. Just me and the driver. And one more passenger, that's it. Somebody's waiting for bus here. Yes, here she is. She's coming. Yeah. Oh yeah, even though it's covered. Come on in, come on in. It's windy out there, right? That's yeah, the highway. Nobody's on the highway. Wow.
That one is the first sign. It's supposed to be busy all day long.
Yeah. Nobody's on the highway. Yeah, somebody's down there. There's no way you can stand on that bus stop. Look at it. It's covered with snow. Is she waiting or is she waiting for somebody else? Her back is turned. Okay.
Yes. The buses, two different buses stopped here.
Oh, okay. Which street is this one?
This is 150.
150th, okay.
So you can, over here you can have the Q15.
Yeah,
It takes you also to
yeah,
Main Street.
yeah.
You go down there, you go to Bishop's.
Oh. But look at this major road right here. There's no plowing. Look at it. Why are they so unprepared, guys? They were really unprepared for this snowstorm. Look at it. Nothing is done. The streets.
We were prepared.
Not-
We put chains on the wheels.
Yeah? You put chain on your, oh, okay.
Yeah, that's why you see you feel the traction.
Oh, okay. Nothing is done.
That's the bus, the bus.
Oh, okay, okay. Can we call this the storm of the century now? Remember that movie, The Storm of the Century? When everybody stays home, it's covered with snow, no bus, no cars, nothing.
1996, nobody was on the street.
Nobody was on the street.
2004, I think, yeah.
96 was bad, I heard.
Nobody.
Nobody.
You couldn't even see the wheels.
Yeah.
Everybody stay at home. We got chains on the wheels. That's why you didn't see me sliding.
Yeah.
We got chains on the back.
Yeah. There's one sanitation guy right there. They got their work cut out for them all day today. All day long.
They have to.
But I'm sorry for some of us who lives on the side streets. That's gonna be the last thing that they're gonna do.
They just clear the main ones.
The main one, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. I guess he has mad four-wheel drive. He's moving fast.
Yeah. And they got a red line.
Yeah.
Turn across.
Please exit through the rear door.
You wanna take the 44 too?
I'm taking the 44.
The lady.
Oh, she. Okay.
Leave you guys over here, so you don't have to walk back.
Oh.
Yeah, how stupid is that? They gotta change that.
Not me, that's DOT.
I know. Because you know it's a cross highway. Like,
Yeah, we
you know,
told them.
a lot of cars are coming from different, directions.
Right.
It's very dangerous. But anyway,
I'm
thank you so
over
much.
there. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. They're gonna have
Right over there? Okay, all right.
Be safe.
Take care. So I'm with you. I'm with you. So guys, that's my driver there. He's leaving. Whoa! I'll see you on the film. All right. The 44 stop here? 44?
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, I'm out here waiting for my second bus to take me to work. Am I crazy or not? Yeah, I decided to go to work today, even if I reach late. But I'm in massive snow. Snow is falling really hard, not hard, but it's steady. It's flowing steady, and it's windy. So it's more dangerous if you walking down the block somewhere and you can't see in front of you, especially if you drive in your car. It's even worse. So it's really windy, snow, and it's been coming down really hard from last night. It's not easy, but I'm out here, guys. Pray for me. I'm gonna reach work late, but I'm just gonna wait for the bus until that time. I could have walked from here because I'm not too far, but I'm gonna, wait until the bus arrive right here in the snow. It's coming down like crazy. I just get off the bus. I'm going to take one more bus that takes me right to my destination. So stand by, ladies and gentlemen. Stand by. It's really one of the toughest snowstorm I've seen in a while. It's worse than the previous one because the city did an error. They didn't came out last night. The streets are packed and covered with snow. Cars are being stuck on the street. The street is like a ghost town. Nobody wants to come out and drive. People are calling out sick. I should have done it, but I decided to say, I'm going to just go. If I reach work late, I'm just going to help out the hospital. That's what I'm doing, guys. So,
Better get paid
stand by.
double.
Huh?
Better get paid double.
Oh,
I'm going to work also. I was about to go back.
you were about to go back
I was
home.
about to go back home because it was so scary. You can't see the road,
But
and then nobody shoveled. And I was
you
like,
got, yeah, unless you have on some good boots.
Yeah, but it was like coming, like over the knee high.
Yeah,
And it was going in my boots. I was like so scared stepping on those.
yeah.
But I gotta go to work.
I gotta go. You see what happened this morning? I woke up, it was about 5:13 p.m. I'm sorry, 5:30 a.m. Went outside, cleaned my car off, shovel around it. So when I ready to leave, driving out, I got stuck. I have to pull back, and I say, you know what? I'm gonna leave my car behind. It doesn't make no sense because if I come on these streets, it's gonna be worse. But if I drive out here and get stuck in the middle of the road, it doesn't make no sense. Anyway, my name is Ozzy from Ozzy Video Tours on YouTube. So I'm a YouTuber. So let's say, since I'm out here, let me just film what's going on and tell the people, look at the skies, man. It's gray. Wow. Where did the bus go? This way or that one?
From there, it's coming.
It come here and it goes to Main Street? I'm going to Boot Memorial. I'm going to the hospital.
Where?
New York Presbyterian. Booth.
Oh,
yeah.
And then you're taking the 44 to the Bronx.
Right. No, I'm not going to the Bronx.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the other side. To you know where the hospital is?
Which hospital?
The one-
Queens?
New-
New York Presbyterian?
New York Presbyterian.
Queens?
Yeah.
Oh, then you have to go to the other side.
Oh, but where? Sorry. Ooh.
Yeah.
I have to go on this side?
Yeah, the 44 that's going towards Main Street.
Yeah, that's where I want to
So you
go.
have to go on the other side.
Oh, where's the bus stop?
The bus stop is right there.
Right there. There's no shelter.
I know.
Oh, it's coming? The guy's going across the street. The bus is coming? You don't see no bus.
Yeah, it's coming from there. Now you're.
Oh, it's coming from around here?
There, yeah.
And go that way. Oh, okay. Thank you.
You waiting for the Q44?
Yeah.
What time it says coming?
I don't know. It didn't make any timings.
I don't check the
Well,
44.
why would the bus is going back?
What bus do you take?
44, but I'm going to the Bronx.
Okay, going to the Bronx. Oh, here it is now. No, this.
Yeah, that's yours.
That's mine.
Yours,
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, that's my That's my 44.
This way and coming back. Shit, you're gonna be waiting out the whole day.
Yeah, I know. So this is what I'm waiting for. Oh, where's my? Oh shit. I think I gotta.
A fare is required to ride.
Oh, this going to Boot, right? Boot Memorial. Thank you. So finally, guys, I'm here at the hospital. I'm at work, so I'm heading inside right now. Finally get off the bus at Main and Booth. So I'm hoping that everything is fine. And I'm going inside now, so stand by. Here we go. All right. So stand by, guys, stand by. I'll see you down the line, stand by. So where were we, guys? As we head home back from work, walk with me. Ladies and gentlemen, this is one of the worst snowstorms since 1996. It fell all night, all day until about 1 p.m. And I'm heading back home after I was stuck in the snow. I couldn't get to drive to work this morning. Not at all. So I decided to take the bus. Took me about an hour to get home. So I'm going to show you what the snow looks like after the aftermath of this blizzard of 2026. Here it is, guys. And look where I'm walking. I'm going to show it to you as I walk along this miserable part. This is the way it looks. So I've been through many snowstorms. One in 1996 was terrible. I think the one in 2016 was also terrible. The one that came a month ago was nowhere close to this. This brought down 27 inches of snow in the city. 27 inches of snow. So this is an exit right here, going on the highway there. You know, the Grand Central Parkway runs right across here. Yeah. That's what it looked like, guys. Guys, look. That's what it looked like. And it's about exactly 5:15 in the afternoon. The sidewalks, guys, are not clean, if you can see for yourself. Sidewalks are not clean. It's really, really bad. Look at the trees. Look at them, covered with snow. Somebody's asked me about why there's no leaves on the tree. During the winter time, there's no leaves on these trees. It makes no sense across the street yet, but the sidewalks are still not, you know. So as you can see how the woods look like after the aftermath of this blizzard of 2026. That's the blizzard, guys, a blizzard. That's the street is much cleaner than this morning. You couldn't even see the street. It was covered with snow. Now as the temperature rises, it looks much better. Cars are coming down. So this is Francis Lewis Boulevard. And here it goes to exit to the Grand Central Parkway. We have who's exercising, a little run in the afternoon after the snow. How far are you running to? How far are you going?
I'm going home.
Oh, you're going home? You're coming from work?
No, I was jogging.
Oh, you was jogging all across?
Yeah,
Oh,
on the trail.
and you go all the way around and come back?
I got lost. There is no trail there.
Okay, I see. So you keep going, man. Keep running. Yes, so this guy's exercising after this blizzard. So the Grand Central Parkway West RFK Bridge. This is what it looked like, guys. This is what it looked like. This is all the trees up there. So there's no sidewalks, guys, to walk on. None. It's all covered with snow. No sidewalk. So as I inch closer and closer to home, I'm just giving you guys a view of what it looked like after the aftermath of this blizzard that came down Sunday into Monday. This is what the roads look like. This morning it was so quiet. You could barely, you don't even see 2 cars on the street this morning. It was like in one of those movies, the apocalyptic movie, nobody on the street. It was dark, cloudy, windy. You know, almost the entire staff at my job called off sick. They couldn't come, the cars are stuck. And I'm sure there's more cars. I'm kind of wondering when I reach in the parking area what it looked like if people already shovel their car. Shovel out there around there. Look at over here, guys. Look over on this side here. That's what it looked like. nice. Yeah, the sidewalks, there's no sidewalk, guys. I'm walking partly in the streets, yeah, but near to the edge, but there's no sidewalk to walk. None. That's how it looks like in the woods, guys. And that over here is the Grand Central Parkway. Grand Central Parkway leads up into Long Island and back across to the RFK Bridge going in the Bronx. That's the Grand Central Parkway. That's the highway that runs across Francis Lewis Boulevard. Yes, I'm right under the bridge, the highway. And this is what it looks like right under the bridge here. And I'm gonna cross over the streets right now. Here we go, let me get out of here. So I'm crossing the street. I'm on the opposite side of the street, facing the traffic now, guys. I'm facing the traffic. That way the traffic can see me. Buddy, a couple of residents here shoveling out this annoying snow. Let me go this way. There's no sidewalk. See, what happened during the snow, guys? Resident has 24 hours to shovel the snow from in front of their property. And right here, nothing has done yet. So I guess they have until tomorrow afternoon to shovel snow, because there's no way, there's no sidewalk to walk on, none whatsoever. So we got a couple residents here that's shoveling their sidewalk right here. They're shoveling their sidewalk.
Good work before it get hard. If it ever get tough, you can't even move that. Wow. Yeah, so the residents are cleaning up their sidewalk. Yeah, so people can walk across their sidewalk here. Yeah. So this is the blizzard of 2026. This is it. The blizzard of 2026. I start it back. Nope. The blizzard of 2026. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Look at it. You can look at it. As we move along, guys, as we move along. Oops, done. Where you going in the snow, man? Where you going now? Where you going in the snow right now?
I'm going to my house.
Oh, you're going. I thought you was going this way.
Nah.
Oh, okay, cool. You on YouTube?
Huh?
You on YouTube?
No.
You don't watch YouTube?
I
Yeah.
watch it, but
Yeah, because I have a YouTube channel. You want to see yourself today?
alright,
As the video to take your phone out, man, and check me out.
alright.
So it's OSSIE. Go on YouTube first.
My bad. Hold on. YouTube.
Yeah, and then you type in OSSIE when it comes up. Space, video, space, tours. Yeah, yeah. Hold up. Oh, it's off. Yeah. Is he behind me? No, he's not coming this way. You got it now? Oh, oh, it's moved. Oh, it's spinning.
I'm screenshot it and I'm gonna switch it up when I get home.
Yeah? Okay. Yeah, you're trying though, but it's not coming up. Maybe the Wi-Fi or the network problem?
Probably.
Could be.
Alright. Have a good day.
Take care, man. All right. The sidewalk is clean?
Over here, yeah.
Oh, okay. Let me get off the road, man. So, folks, I'm coming home from work. Hard day of work today. Also, you see, this is what the snow have done to New York City. It's one of the toughest snow I've seen in a while. And at least these sidewalks are clean. So I'll be walking and show you the guys. So as I'm approaching the end of this video today, hope you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment in the comment section. See.
This is it?
Which one? No, that's not me. Yeah. No. It has to come up to us the video. You're gonna see my face on it. Let me see that. No, that's not me. Do it again. Maybe it comes up. Do it again. Type it in again. OSSIE and space video tours. TOURS.
Yes? Is this you? Like on Google?
You said Google? No, it's not coming up for some reason. Because the video tour is right there. Oh, you just missed it. No, that's different. Ozzy. Oh, the throat. Yeah, that's not it. Yeah. Let me see it. Hold this for me. Hold the camera too. How you doing, boss man? Let me see. Go back. So where's the YouTube? Oh, that's you? That's you?
Yeah.
Man, you look different. You're younger?
Yeah.
Oh, where is YouTube right there? Pause it for a bit. Let me see if I can pause it. Okay, guys, I think I'm coming to the end of this video today, guys. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell me how you feel about this blizzard today in New York City. If you like the video, just like it. Tell a friend and share the video and leave a comment in the comment section. Till I see you guys in the next video. This is Ozzy Video Tour signing out. Take care of yourself, your family. Peace and love and respect to all of you. Peace.